nami magunda mo ka bata ni. Oh. May manang ilati kay gina. Ano? Aras lawa. What
You
what?
know the baby over there?
Yeah.
The baby saw Toto because she knows she's a baby.
Yeah.
And she go to Toto and she said, hi. And then they go play together. And
Oh,
then they're saying
Did you
bye
have a
over
friend
there.
to? Huh?
We don't know her name. Hello. Toto,
Mm.
did you see the cars?
Yeah.
Did you go inside?
No, I haven't.
Go. Guys,
Hmm.
I have superpower.
You have superpower?
Where's your
Please
dinosaur,
to
Toto? Where's your dinosaur? Wow. Toto, where's your dinosaur? Did you leave it there?
Oh no.
Oh, you leave it.
Mm.
Are you sure?
You don't want to see the cars?
Later. I do. Actually, I will see it. I think we left the dinosaur.
No. She give it to Ate El.
No, I don't have it.
So where is it?
I think it's over there.
Bye. Bye.
Oh, yes, you do. Now the friends.
Mga cars ba? Vintage car ne. Corvettes. Old Mustang. Chryslers. Ang Econoline nga F-150 ba? Van na 1970s pa siguro rin. May mga ano diri ba? Hot rods meat na tawag la. Chrysler Electric. Muling tawag na New Yorker. Bye na ne. Ariano niya nga model ni man.
Wait, open it.
Gutom sila.
Open it.
Open what?
Open it.
Where?
Open it, please.
Okay.
I can open it.
Ate will open it for you. Bye na mga kasisi, si Kachuchuno ni. Bye bye.